Well, today we are going to make a very beautiful flower from a rectangular piece of paper. Take a red rectangle which is 20 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide, which means the length is double that of the width. First, fold it along the length into half, into two equal parts. Then fold it again into half, into 4 quarters, and now the 1/8 fold. And finally give it one more fold to divide the entire length of paper into 16 equal parts. On opening, you will find 16 parts. Now these are into all kinds of zigzag shapes, but now we are going to fold the whole paper into a kind of a fan fold. These are accordion pleats, and every fold is either in sequence a mountain or a valley fold. So you fold this into a fan fold or an accordion fold. Now this is it. And now you try and gather from the ends until you come to the center. Then open one flap from the left, another from the right. And now with the scissors, you nip off 4 triangles. This is the first one. And the nipping will give it a kind of a flower shaped on the edges. This is the second triangle. This is the third, and this is the fourth. And now you fold the paper into half. And then fold these triangles on the 2 edges, and there is a small pocket, and you tuck this entire fold inside. This is like a lock. Repeat the same on the other edge. First fold 2 triangles and then tuck this entire thing into the pocket. This is the lock. And then you again open it and just pull out, and a very beautiful flower will emerge. It requires no glue, no staples. It's a very nice way of locking and making a flower. It's of course a 16 pointed star, and you see the cuts make the triangles on the periphery of the flower. And of course you can twirl them like a top. They look very beautiful. You can make them in various colors.